There's nothing wrong with you. Your body has just learnt patterns that once made sense. Welcome to the SomaTherapy Collective. This is a space for people who are ready to go deeper, beyond mindset, beyond surface level healing, into the body, where your experiences are actually held. Because trauma doesn't just live in your story, it lives in your nervous system, in how you respond under pressure, in how you relate to others, in what feels familiar, even when it's painful. So many people find themselves repeating patterns they don't want in relationships, in parenting, in how they show up in the world, not because they're choosing it, but because their body has learnt it. At the SomaTherapy Collective, we work with that directly. Through somatic therapy, nervous system repair, and matrilineal healing, we begin to gently unwind what's been held in the body, often for years, sometimes across generations. This work supports you to reconnect to your body, process stored emotion, shift relational patterns, build deeper self-trust, and create a different experience of being in your life. And we do this in a way that honors your pace, your history, your capacity, because real healing isn't about pushing through, it's about working with your system. This is not quick fix work. This is deep, sustainable change, a return to your body, a return to your truth, a return to the parts of you that were never lost, just held back. You can explore sessions, courses, and resources below, or begin with a clarity session to find your entry point into this work.